Hi toy fans, this is ToyHound here to review a 2008 Daron Delta diecast airplane. And here's what it looks like in the package. It's based on the Delta airplane, I think it's a 767. I'm not real for certain, but it's based on Airliner jet, a larger Airliner jet. And of course it has the Delta logo right there. And it says Daron Worldwide Trading Incorporated. It's a die-cast metal, new livery designs, plastic parts, and of course that's what it looks like in the package. It has a Delta logo on the side. Here's what it looks like on the back. Nice little illustration of a Delta airliner jet right there. And other information. And next I'll show you the package in a closer view, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. And here, as you can see, is the Daron Realtoy Delta Airlines die-cast aircraft toy plane out of the package. And this Delta Airlines toy plane it's loosely based off a real Delta Airlines jet. I'm not sure if it's based on a 767 or not, but I just made that guess. And it does have like a Delta Airlines sticker on the sides right there. Probably made it easier so they didn't have to paint it. Same with this part too. That's what it looks like on the other side. And the front, nice painted jet turbines right there. I like the nice painted silver on the wings. That's really cool. And the nice blue paint on the back of the tail of the airplane. A nice metallic silver right there as well. And that's what it looks like on the bottom. It says Realtoy on the bottom. Doesn't show any license indication. Still nice molded in detail nonetheless. Does have a fair amount of die cast. And just for fun, here's a comparison next to a Maisto B25. So the scale's way off. Actually, the B25 would be, it wouldn't be a small plane, but it would be fairly smaller than this one. And then here's a Mad Propz Hot Wheels. So it's not really in scale. And the reason I got this Delta Airlines jet, I thought it'd be cool to get a souvenir of a Delta Airlines jet. I actually flew on a Delta Airlines jet. It's actually a smaller one, more economic one. I couldn't find a die cast of it, but I thought it'd be cool to get this one. And I paid like $10 or $11 for it. I forget the price. But at the end of this video, I'll show you like a short clip of what it would be the perspective of sitting in an airplane from the window seat view. And I thought it'd be cool to share with you guys that. And if you come across this jet, you'll probably find it at a Delta Airlines terminal. And is it worth spending like $10 to $11 for it? It all depends if you're a fan of the Delta Airlines brand and you like airplanes. And that's all I really have to say. If you'd like to see more videos, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for more reviews.